Hello friends, today we are going to talk about string operations in Python. So first of all, let's have a look at the objectives. So today we have three major objectives to cover up. First of all, we are going to talk about concatenation. It's a very difficult word. Then we will talk about errors. Then we will talk about operations on strings in Python. Okay, so basically in three of them we have operations, but in last point we will see something special about it. Okay, so let's start with concatenation. So strings in Python can be added using a process called concatenation. This can be done on any row strings. Okay, so when concatenation happens, it doesn't matter whether the string is created with single or double quotes. So as always, I will give you an example. So here is an example. So I wanted to add string spam with eggs. So I just added them with a plus sign and I got result as spam eggs. Okay friends, so let's move on. Now we talk about errors. If your string contains numbers, they can be added up, but as strings, not as integers. So now we are going to talk about errors. So adding a string to an integer produces an error. So as always, I'll give you an example. So you see here, I wanted to add a string that is 2 with 1 that is an integer. So I got a huge error from Python, that is unsupported operand types. Okay, so now let's move. Now we will talk about final topic, string operations. So strings can be multiplied with integers. This produces an repeated version of the original string. But strings cannot be multiplied by any other strings. This produces an error. Okay, so you see here I wanted to multiply spam 3 times. So you see I got result as spam, spam, spam. And here I wanted to multiply 2 4 times. That means I want 2 to be printed 4 times. So you see I got result as 4 times 2. Now in this case I wanted to add, I already told you about addition, but so you see I got result as 172. Now in this case I multiplied the 17 with 12 both as integers. So Python produced me an error. Okay, now final thing is that I wanted to tell you, you cannot multiply any string with floats. That also produces an error, as you can see here. So thank you friends, this was enough for this video. My name is kidwaieacacdemy. You are watching my channel. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and keep watching.